In this video, we are going to see how we can search for the playlist on YouTube directly. So let's say that you want to search for a music collection, the movies collection, some of the seasons, or maybe you want to search for a complete course. What you can do is you head over to the search section and let's say I write Excel. So it will show you a couple of videos related to Excel, but if you want to see a complete playlist about it, what you can do is just head over to the filters on the right hand corner and you search for the playlist. After that, you should be able to see all the playlist with the complete courses for that specific topic. Similarly, we want to search for, let's say, the gym workout. So these are the specific videos, but if you want to find a complete playlist, you just hit the filters and click on the playlist, and then you should be able to see all of that specific type of videos under the playlist. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.